Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Geek. In this episode, you're going to learn about a very cool app. This app is used by people from all around the world. This app is used to explore each other's culture, and this app also has a live translation that will help you to communicate with people whose language you don't understand. Now let's go ahead and see what app is this. This app is called Ablo. If you want to join Ablo, I will recommend you to go to App Store and download it. I've already downloaded it, as you can see. Now let's go ahead and see how to create an Ablo account. First, open your Ablo app. Tap Join Ablo. Now you enter your email address. Tap Continue. Now Ablo wants to use google.com, so sure, I will tap Continue and I'm directed to google.com. I tap to my email address. Now yes, I agree to the terms and condition. Tap Allow. Now I create a password for my Ablo, and if you do not wish to receive marketing, you just tick it, so tap Continue. Now enter your first name, enter your date of birth, tap Continue. Now you tap on your gender, tap which city you're from. They're going to use my location, so yes, I allow it. They're gonna ask me about my photo, but if you don't want to upload your photo right now, just go ahead and tap Not Now on the top of your right corner. Now you need to tick on your interests, so yeah, I will tick on travel, food, music and movies, and sports. Yeah, that's it. Tap Done after you're done ticking your interests. Now you will be asked if you want to be notified when the unexpected happens. So yes, I would highly recommend you to activate it. So I tap Activate. I want Ablo to send me notifications, so go ahead and tap Allow. Or you can also not allow it. Tap Continue. And that's about it. So I've successfully created my Ablo account. Now as you can see, there is a world map, and it helps you to connect with people from the country that you want to connect to. This is very cool app. I highly recommend it that you get it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Please like and share our video for more videos in the future.